How to recover Valorant account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you in how you can recover your Valorant account. Now the process is quite simple. Either on your phone or any other devices, you want to head into the browser, and on the browser what you want to do is you want to search in for Valorant account recovery or Valorant account recover. Now in my case you can see I will researched in for it, and what you want to do is you want to head into the first option, recover your account, Valorant support Riot games. You can see, simply tap on it and you want to open it up. Once it opens up, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below and you can see recover your account option. Now here you can see deleted accounts cannot be recovered. If you have deleted your account, then unfortunately if you have passed the 30 days limit, you won't be able to recover it. However, if the 30 days hasn't been passed since you deleted the ID, then you can recover it always by simply logging into your account by entering in your account details. However, here in case you can't recover your account because due to certain other reasons, then what you want to do is you want to scroll down below. You can see account recovery tool here. You can, if you forgot your username, you want to select the option recover username. If you forgot your password, you want to select the option forgot password. I'll just tap on recover password option there and it'll ask you for a username. Now once you type in your username here, I'll just type in random username, but I don't have any account associated here. But once you enter in your username and once you head into next option there, it'll ask you for your email address, and once you do so, you'll be able to recover your account. You want to provide all the details that it asks for and you'll be able to, they'll contact you back, and once they contact you through Gmail, you'll be able to log into your account. So this way you can recover Valorant account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.